Hey everyone! What do you think about the future of AI? Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Artificial intelligence. It's already changing our world, especially when it comes to our jobs. From automated customer service voices to algorithms, making trades on Wall Street. AI is here to stay. In this video, we'll break down which jobs are most likely to be automated, which ones are relatively safe, and what skills you can develop to stay ahead. Let's get started. We've all encountered those frustratingly robotic customer service chatbots. And you know what? They're getting scarily good. AI chatbots now handle everything from simple inquiries to complex troubleshooting. This shift creates a demand for skilled professionals to design and manage AI systems. Think of it as a level up, from answering calls to designing the customer service experience. Now's the time to upskill in AI and chatbot development. These skills will make you invaluable in the future of customer interaction. Remember, technology is only as good as the humans behind it. Now, let's talk about coders and programmers. AI is already making waves in the coding world, with tools like GitHub Copilot that can write code alongside human developers. But before you panic, remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement. The role of a coder is evolving. Instead of routine coding tasks, the real value will be in complex problem-solving and creative software design. AI can handle the grunt work, freeing you up to focus on innovative solutions that require human ingenuity. So, if you're a coder, embrace AI. Learn how to leverage these tools to your advantage. Become a master of complex problem solving, and you'll be in high demand. The healthcare industry is undergoing a massive transformation thanks to AI. From AI-powered diagnostic tools to robotic surgery assistants, the potential is immense. But healthcare is about human connection. While AI can analyze data and assist with procedures, it's the human professionals who provide empathy and build trust with patients. The future of healthcare will be a partnership between humans and AI. So, if you're pursuing a career in healthcare, focus on developing your emotional intelligence, communication skills, and ability to connect with patients. These qualities, combined with a strong understanding of AI, will make you a highly sought-after healthcare professional. Now, let's talk about creativity. Can AI really write novels, compose symphonies, or paint masterpieces? While AI has made strides in generating art, music, and writing, it lacks the human soul. Creativity is about expressing emotions and telling stories that resonate with the human experience. So, if you're a writer, musician, designer, or artist, your ability to connect with human emotions and infuse your work with your unique perspective makes you irreplaceable. The education sector is ripe for disruption, and AI is leading the charge. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's unique needs. AI tutors can provide customized instruction and track progress. But does this mean teachers will become obsolete? Absolutely not. While AI can automate certain aspects of teaching, it can never replace the human element. Teachers provide guidance, mentorship, and create a supportive learning environment. The future of education will be a collaborative effort between educators and AI. If you're passionate about education, embrace AI while honing your skills as a facilitator and mentor. The manufacturing industry has been at the forefront of automation for decades, and AI is taking it to a new level. Robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, performing complex tasks with precision and speed. But this doesn't mean the factory floor will be devoid of humans. Human workers will be needed to oversee operations, troubleshoot issues, and ensure the smooth functioning of automated systems. The future of manufacturing will involve a workforce skilled in AI maintenance, programming, and data analysis. If you're considering a career in manufacturing, focus on developing technical skills and problem-solving abilities. The financial sector is already heavily reliant on algorithms, and AI is poised to revolutionize it further. From algorithmic trading to AI-powered fraud detection, the world of finance is evolving, but human financial advisors won't become obsolete. While AI can analyze vast amounts of data, it's human advisors who provide personalized guidance and build long-term relationships. The future of financial services will involve a blend of AI-powered insights and human expertise. Financial professionals who can interpret AI-driven data and connect with clients on a personal level will thrive. If you're interested in finance, focus on developing your analytical skills and communication abilities. Even the legal profession is experiencing the impact of AI. AI-powered tools can sift through legal documents and draft basic legal documents. But the law is nuanced and complex. While AI can assist with research, it's human lawyers who possess the critical thinking skills and ethical judgment needed to navigate the legal system. The future of law will involve a partnership between human lawyers and AI tools. Lawyers who can leverage AI to enhance their efficiency while honing their skills in legal, strategy, and client communication will be in high demand. If you're considering a career in law, focus on developing your analytical thinking and communication skills. The transportation industry is on the verge of a massive transformation, with self-driving cars, trucks, and even planes becoming a reality. AI is at the heart of this revolution, promising to make transportation safer and more efficient. But the transition to fully autonomous transportation will take time. Human expertise will be crucial for managing logistics, overseeing maintenance, and ensuring the safety of these systems. The future of transportation will involve new opportunities in AI system management and logistics planning. If you're considering a career in transportation, embrace AI and focus on developing skills in data analysis and logistics management. How can you make sure your job is safe in the age of AI? Focus on skills that AI can't replicate. Become a lifelong learner. Adaptability is essential in the changing job market. Embrace new technologies and never stop learning. Develop your uniquely human skills. AI struggles with creativity and emotional intelligence. These skills will set you apart. Build meaningful relationships. AI can't replace human connection. Network and collaborate with colleagues and mentors. These qualities will future-proof your career. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future of work in the age of AI. It's a future full of challenges and opportunities, and the key to thriving is to be prepared. By understanding the trends, developing your skills, and staying adaptable, you can navigate this changing landscape with confidence. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on the future of work. Until next time, stay curious, stay adaptable, and keep on learning